How to use Evernote's Web Clipper. Evernote's default organizational schema relies on the convention of notes and notebooks. Individual files are saved in notes, which can then be organized into thematic notebooks. Multiple notebooks can be combined to create notebook stacks. It's that simple, but as straightforward as Evernote's organizational structure may be, actually taking notes in Evernote isn't as good as it could be. On both desktop and mobile, Evernote's UI is clean and makes use of familiar icons to indicate the tool's core functions. Clicking the plus icon creates a new note. Easy enough, right? Similarly, the button beneath the New Note button creates a new meeting note, but Evernote fails to tell or show us the difference between a regular note and a meeting note. Presumably, a meeting note is a template for taking minutes during meetings, but we shouldn't be left to guess what this is. The same goes for the Work Chat button below the search icon. Hover over it and you'll see the Work Chat label. But click on it and it expands into a new pane that describes the button as the sharing button. Which is it? If you're coming to Evernote expecting Slack-like features, prepare to be disappointed. For starters, Evernote boasts very strong optical character recognition (OCR) technology. That's not surprising once you learn that Evernote founder Stepan Pachikov created Paragraph, an OCR system that Apple acquired and implemented into its Newton handheld computer in the late 1980s. That means that Evernote can effectively search scanned images of handwriting as quickly as it can search typewritten notes. Evernote's Web Clipper is arguably one of the tool's most useful and popular features. Evernote's Clipper is like Bookmarks on steroids. Web Clipper, which is also available as a standalone extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, lets you clip elements from a web page to Evernote. You can clip almost anything, paragraphs of text, images, even entire web pages. For using it, install the Web Clipper, then go to the Evernote Web Clipper page on your browser's extension store, e.g., Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons, download and install the extension, log into your Evernote account through the Web Clipper. Then, activate the Web Clipper when you're on a web page you want to save. Click the Web Clipper icon in your browser's toolbar. If prompted, log into your Evernote account. Choose a save format. The Web Clipper allows you to save content in several formats. And customize your clip. Use the highlighter tool to emphasize important parts. Add notes, shapes, or arrows to screenshots. And choose a notebook and add tags for easy searching later. Save your clip once you've made your selections. Click the Save button. The content will be saved to your Evernote account and synced across devices. And then access your clips. Open Evernote on any device and navigate to the notebook where you saved the clip to view it. And that's all of it from me. Hope this been helpful to you somehow, but that's it. Thank you.